Good morning, everyone. Just woke up, hungry now, so we're gonna look something to eat. So we're gonna chef up a little Jamaican breakfast in the morning. Yeah. Nice and easy, well quick. We're gonna make some saltfish with some fried dumplings. Jamaicans we call it saltfish, but the Americans and everywhere else they call it salted codfish. So we'll go ahead and fry up that with some fried dumplings, some yardman breakfast. I'm gonna show you what I want. So I have some seasoning over here, so we're gonna use fry up the codfish or saltfish. We have onion, tomato, scallion, sweet pepper, and I want hot pepper. Over here we have the saltfish or codfish. So we'll go ahead and kick off the pot, so stay tuned. Alright people, so we're gonna put on some hot water and put the saltfish in there to boil off. Because the saltfish is very salty, so we gotta boil it off first and pick it before we fry it up. So go ahead and put on some hot water. We're just gonna go ahead and put these in there. So we're gonna let them boil real good before we take them out and wash them off and clean them. You can't really cover this pot, else it's gonna froth and overflow. Yeah, people, I made my mom, so she's gonna go ahead and knead up some flour to make the fried dumplings. So she'll go ahead and deal with that for you. Busy doing that. So she gonna need some flour to make the fried dumplings. So she go ahead and pour out some flour there, so. You're gonna put some baking powder in there. Alright, she's gonna go ahead and tip some salt in there. She's gonna knead that up real good, and we're gonna, after that's kneaded, we're gonna leave it to soak for about 20 to 30 minutes or so. Remember people, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And thanks for the support so far. We're doing good. Slowly growing. Like I said before, this is a typical Jamaican breakfast, you know, something quick when you wake up in the morning. That I get well kneaded up, my people. Nothing like some nice soft fried dumplings in the morning. I like my fried dumplings with saltfish, or we could eat it with some tin mackerel too.
Catfish.
Well hot.
Eat liver.
Yeah, man. A boiled dumpling, we have to eat liver with, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my people, the flour they well knead up and all. And that's soaked up, that's gonna be right. Alright, that's finished kneading now. So we're gonna leave that to soak for a little bit. That dough is well right. So we're gonna leave that to soak for a little bit. Saltfish is over here boiling off. That not really start boil up yet, but it'll get there soon. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these up. So just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Alright, my people. Saltfish finished boil now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna get it cleaned up. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, my mom's gonna go ahead and start getting the pot ready to start doing the fried dumplings. Hot, hot, hot.
What you can eat.
Make dumpling ready. We have to make sure this is cool before we touch it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the sausage real quick. To clean it up, we take the skin off and we take all the bones out. Come on the side there now.
Mm-hmm.
So come on the side up and go. Yeah, people, shall go ahead and start making the fried dumplings now. Yes, my people, don't forget to like up the video, you know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Alright people, we're done with that. I'm finished with that now. Go ahead. Go ahead and put this pot back on the fire. However, we're going to use the same pot to fry up the saltfish. And this is what it looked like after we pick it. Nice, clean picked saltfish or codfish, whatever you want to call it. Now people see what I go on, see that's what the fried dumplings looking at like right now. Nice and golden. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and start frying up the seasoning for the saltfish. Alright people, we're gonna go ahead and put in the season we cut up earlier. We're gonna let that saute a little bit before we put in the saltfish onto it. We're gonna let this saute, get the seasoning cooked a little. Alright, that's what it's looking like right now. Getting the seasons sauteed down so we could put our saltfish in there after. In the meantime, the dumplings are frying up real nice over there. Can you see the ones that are fried already? Nice golden fried dumplings. As soon as these seasons saute a little more, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the saltfish or codfish. Add a little black pepper to it, and that's it. Because remember, it's saltfish, so it already got salt in there, so you don't need none of those stuff. Alright my people, stay tuned and watch what I want. Alright my people, so the season is sauteed now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in my saltfish. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in there. Yard man style. All my people who eat this already know this is nice. You never tried it before? You gotta try it. make this fry up a little. Add the little black pepper. Simple, you cook 30-minute breakfast. Give this like 5 more minutes and then it's ready to consume. And the dumplings are finished making. So just stay tuned. What's going on? Alright, people. Saltfish done fry up now. Fry up enough, so we'll turn this off.
You put the black pepper already?
And we'll go ahead and dish out them because
you're hungry.
I'm hungry, so we're gonna eat right away. Pwede mo yun sa avocado eh. This one.
Natapang yung aso. Nag-iinom ito mo sa Fred.
Check ko yung put na yung plate. Alright, my people. Fried dumpling with saltfish, well bossy.
You want the plastic sauce or you want?
I got plastic sauce. Alright, that is it. Stay tuned, we're gonna consume now. Alright, people, go ahead and consume up the food there. No. You know we go already. We really drink tea now. We drink good stuff, right? Alright, test this out, see what's up. Dumpling with saltfish. But real Jamaican breakfast. Y'all gotta try this out if you never tried it before.
Fish pepper.
Alright, my people, I hope you like this quick breakfast video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep the support coming. We appreciate it. And we're gonna keep giving you more videos. So don't forget to share and subscribe. Until the next video.